Kublai pi baro nakaliang kadu dasyan kendra Shillong ipdiang sahubhai pi syakadi ka thup khubor mataka janmit haswa banginya phash ki khubor ki babania nginya petchwai ki mat bakong san Kiu ka jingkot na klam COVID-19 syaka khandai punyaw point iway line na kashispa La rakhe ya ka World Cancer Day ha Shillong Civil Hospital On sedang trekam ka cancer wing jong ka Shillong Civil Hospital hapo usnam arhajar arpuar ong umintri ka kot ka khia ka jilla Meghalaya uba AL-HEC. But minjur ka Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council ya ka KHAD Regulation Bill. Ki khubor ki babania Kajingla ban kotnyo na kajingpang COVID-19 hapo kari kalakiw shu siya ka khanday punyaw point iway line na kashispa. Kanyaw hajar bat praspa arpusaw ngut kinongpang kilakotnyo na kani kajingpang hakini ki arpusaw kenta badang syudeb. Kiblakot baro na kani kajingpang kilakiw siya ka shiklur sawlak prapaw hajar bat sawspa sanpusan ngut. Katanat kakot kakhya jong kari kalaong, kajingbon jong kinongpang menta, kalong satang iway point saw na kashispa na kinongpang baro. Menta kajingbon kinongpang hapo kari kalong shilak sanpusan hajar bat arpusan ngut. Hakabiaday bat kajingay daway yada jingpang COVID-19, katanat kakot kakhya jong kari kalaong ba sawpusawlak sawpukhanday hajar bat sanspa sanpuar ngut kibriw kilayo ya kadaway COVID hapo kanikari hadu menta. Hajela Meghalaya kinongpang kidon sa sanpu arngut bat kibalakot no baro kilong khatlay hajar bat sanspa nyo pusan ngun. Haringkat bat kaperthay baro kaway la rakhe ya ka World Cancer Day hanong ba Shillong matakas ngi. Hakabia day bat kani ka jing rakhe katanat oncology jong ka Shillong Civil Hospital matakas ngi kala penlong ya ka program hapo Civil Hospital hakaba kinongpang kibalayo jing sumar kilaya samlem ya ki khana jing job jong ki. Habakren hagane kasngi u Dr. S.S. Nongbri, ubadai u Joint Director of Health Services, ula banjur, baka jingpang bampong kalanangjur haka jilla barokaway, bat kumjuru hakari, hakaba hakaju kapor, ula kenturu yakipatba, bakin sange no nakaban pindan kam ya uduma. Ka Dr. Anisha Maulong, kabadai ka cancer specialist, kalakren halor ka jinglong jingman, kaba ima, hapo kane ka jilla. Namar katkom ka JINGTIP na ka PBCR jong snem arhajar khatsaw ka East Khasi Hills District kawan balay haki Shinrang bat bakhatway hakaliang kikentay. Hapo kani kari hakabia day bat ka jingyo ya ka jingpang bampong bat kalawan baningkong ru hapo kari hakabia day bat ka jingpang bampong nakadaw jong uduma.
I am and I will. I believe that we as a state will win against this menace cancer, which has destroyed many lives and has caused many sufferings and loss to many families. The cancer data of our state, which is indeed alarming for us. We stand third in males in cancer in the country and 11th in females. And in tobacco-related cancer, we stand 11th in the country, or first in the country. So I think we have to do something to reduce the use of tobacco in our state.
Umintri katanat kakot kakhya ka jilla Meghalaya ula pintip baka cancer wing ha civil hospital kansala bantreikam hakapor ka babyang nakabenta ka jing rakhe ya ka jingdap sanposnem ka jilla Meghalaya. Dakabaong ba yakane ka project lapin sange shwa ha usnem arhajar arpo nakadaw jong ka klam COVID-19 umintri kakot kakhya ula ong ba ula dep hukum ru ban pinstet no yaki kam ki jam. Hakabia day bat ka jinglong jingman ba minta uhek ula ong ba ka jilla ka shania hakatanat cardiology jong ka nigrims nakabenta ka jing sumar ya ka jingpang bampong. Wala ka taru ula benrap ba ka jingduna ha ka jingdon jong kibriw kiblat tibit hakakam hapo kani ka jilla kidang bu ru ya ki jing e ki bakraw.
It's almost 95% it is completed. We want to make it operational. So this one I have put very categorically. This one will be in the in that major projects which is ongoing project and also completed project to inaugurate in celebration with our Golden Jubilee statehood. The cardiology department in our state, the problem is with human resources. We don't have manpower. Till today, the sufficient manpower for handling the cardiology department in our states.
Ka Executive Committee jong ka Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council KHADC hapo ka jingalam jong ka United Democratic Alliance kala minjur ka draft KHAD Establishment Management and Control of Markets Second Amendment Regulation Bill. Hadian balada penya ya ka jingalang Executive Committee ha kasngi balang u Chief Executive Member ka KHADC uba Tito Starwell Khan ulayatho hakinong patay kubor ba on sa letra ya kanika bill hakmat ka yeng dorbar nakabenta banyakren hakadorbar mang tingka kabansas dang nadu ka arphun rio tarik urimpang ula ongru ba kane ka amendment bill katmu ban penlong yakiyaw baro bagi day ban yo jing itho na ka council ka bahadien kanlong ga jingkar khu ka bakraw nakabenta ki pat nong rem.
Ki try par hi kin haban register mo ki haban pendit pendiang kat kum ki kendon bala ai da ka MMDR Act te kasyong haki te re nong ka jing slam jing kloi tengah so bakade kasyong haki nama la pli ka lenti te kasyong haki pat kum no ban pendiang hi ta ki jing don kam kat kum ka an
Kajing on tep ya MLA ka Maureng Keneng uba David Nongrum ubala klat kendit ha ka arterik urimpang kala long hanong ba Shillong menta kasngi ki dikot Congress kene ka jilla ki MLA ki MDC bat ki bahayeng bhasem kila ai khublei khatdu ya uba Nongrum ha kene kasngi ki nong yalam bat ki bahayeng kila ai jingkren ha ka ba kila kinmau ya u kum unong yalam pat ba uba kraw uba kloy ban no kakti kamon kakti ka diang banyarap lem ya kiwei. Menteri Katanat Social Welfare uba Kermen Shilla hakasngi balang ula play perda ya ka Working Women's Hostel jong ka Khasi JINGTIP Presbyterian Assembly ha Mission Compound. Ya ka Working Women Hostel lashna ha ka jinglot ka balong kumba pra point khandai phoklur tingka ya ka bala bay tingka hapo ka Special Plan Assistance. Habakren ha ka dikasngi uba Shilla ula banjur baka sorkar ka penlet jingmut nakabenta ka jingshngan ba jingyadai ki kintay ki batray bakta ha ka ba ha ka kapor ula penpau ya ki jing sngokhia jingmut jong u halor ki kam bean kibla nang jur shu shu persha ki kenthei hapo kane ka jilla ula pentip shu shu ru bakatanat kelas dangru bantei ya ka Working Women Hostel hatura ya ka bala penyat dakatura Garo Baptist Convention bat sakaway pa lasdang bantei haril bong Shillong.
The Deputy Director of the Social.
With the presence of this Working Women Hostel, it will serve the best to our women so that, and a request also from my side to all whoever get the opportunity to give any kind of awareness, to try to teach the others that we are here to help each other, not to harm anybody, especially a woman who are the one who's looking after us, our practices, matrilineal society.
La penlong ya ka program ai JINGTIP ka bashisngi bat ya ka voluntary blood donation camp mentakasngi da ka Adventist Youth of Northeast Adventist University ha 7-day Adventist College Klietirshi. Haba ai jingkren ha gani kasngi no senyang ya kasnam u Dr. P. Shilla u badai u in charge jong ka Jowai Blood Bank ula penpaw ya ka jing donkam jong ka jing no senyang ya kasnam. Ki wei pat ki bla ai jingkren ha gani kasngi ki kenthop ya u Vice Chancellor u Dr. P. Bagi katba uba W. Chermang ula penya ya ka program. Mentapat nginya pet shwa ya ka jinglong jingman ka sun meneng ha Shillong. Kajing shit kalong kat pra degree Celsius, bat kajing kriat kalong inyo point san degree Celsius. Kajing sngam kahaw-haw kalong, san pusan nakashispa men step, bat saw pusan nakashispa janmit. Kasun meneng kandum lo ha Shillong bat kijaka bamarjan. Shuaban penkut ngenya phai biang sa shisen shikimat bakongsan. Kiyo kajing kwat nakaklam COVID-19, siya kakhanday punyaw point iway lai nakashispa. Laraki ya ka World Cancer Day ha Shillong Civil Hospital. On sedang terekam ke cancer wing jong ke Shillong Civil Hospital, hapo usnem arhajar arpuar, umbentri ke kuat ke kia ke jela Meghalaya uba AL Hek. But minjur ke Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council ya ke KHAD Regulation Bill. Parlok katto ngila poi syaka bekut jong ka thup khubor jing imita ka janmiet, hadu bangen syambiang bat pila syai ke sngi, khublei pi baro.